Are you guys familiar with a place called Namyangju? Do you know where and what kind of place is it exactly? Let's take a look at it later. First, let us introduce our group. Hello everyone, we are Group 9 and our member consists of Sang-min Lee, Jun-hyuk Chang, Jae-woo Choi, Woo Song-kwak, Se-hoon Kim, Jung-hoon Won, and Nurin Sakina binti Harusale. Our group was given a project located in Namyangju, a city in the northeastern part of Seoul. Let us tell you more about this area. Namyangju is one of the cities in Gyeonggi-do. Namyangju-si was originally a southern part of Yeongju-gun, but was separated into Namyangju-gun in the 1980 1st of April. Namhan River is located at its southern part, while Bukhan River takes the east part of it. While there are layers type of soil including sandstone, clay, and etc. in the Han River Valley, there are also metamorphic rocks in the eastern part. Other than that, most of the area contains arctic gneisses. Namyangju location itself has a natural boundary of mountains, including Mount Cheonmasan and water source from nearby rivers. Next, talking about things that are inside the Namyangju area. There are spreads of mountains higher than 500 meters tall and also a form of basin in the inner part. Thus, these make a total of 5 regions including Migum and Jingon area, as addition to its north, south, east and west part. So due to Greenbelt and Water Source Protection Zone, only flatlands suitable for development. Bounded by the development regulations of the metropolitan area, numerous small and medium-sized towns are distributed in various places instead of one city at its center. Next, let's take a look at the transportation facility there. Even though this place was good enough for development, unfortunately, the transportation system was not developed enough. And this causes a lot of problems to the residents. Even the basic transportation needs, like the intercity bus terminal, was never built there. Also, it was said that going to Seoul is much more easier and takes less time rather than going to another part of Namyangju itself. Not only that, there are also no department stores, movie theaters, no university hospital and medical centers, and not even a four-year type of university over there. It shows that Namyangju has very poor facilities in various ways compared to its population. And due to this, the residents need to rely on facilities located in Seoul or Guri City most of the time.
Here is the content. Geographical characteristics of the Namyangju site, construction outline, and the study plan will be presented in order. First, geographical characteristics. Last week, we visited the Hanyang-Sujain River Pine construction site at Namyangju Dosim Center to see the progress. The exact location is 경기도 와부, 남양주시 도곡리 931-5. Today, we are going to talk about the transportation requirements, educational requirements, and living conditions of the site in order. 한양-수자인 River Pine is next to Dosim Station on Gyeonggi-Jungang Line. and it is easy to enter Gangbyeon Expressway and Olympic Highway through Misadaegu Bridge. Next, it is located right next to Dokso High School, Dokso Middle School, and Dosim Elementary School. Because the location of Namyangju is included in special screening process for residents of farming and fishing towns, people who live in the apartment can receive academic benefits. Lastly, by just crossing the Han River, we can go directly to Hanam Starfield and Asan Hospital, which is located in Misa New Town. Now we will explain about the construction outline of Hanyang Sujain River Pine in detail. The size of the site area is 30,926 square meters, and the gross floor area is 111,177 square meters. So, 12 building and 908 household is being planned. Lastly, the floor-air ratio is 250% and the construction period is going to be 32 months from October 17, 2022 to June 16. This is the aerial view of the Hanyang Sujain River Pine. The modeling was carried out based on this aerial view, and this is the result. Here is our study plan for this project throughout this semester. For the first 3 weeks, we will plan to share about the introduction of the project's background and the selected site, the development and discussion and the main issues and study plan. For the 4th and 5th week, we will present the general construction plan, including the overall construction plan, waste treatment plan, temporary water plan, temporary electrical system plan, surrounding site area, and CCTV installation plan in more detail. Next, we will share more about the construction management plan from the 6th up to 9th week. 6th week is about earthwork and temporary facilities. There is midterm exams in the 7th week, so we will continue with the concreting on the 8th week, following by reducing unshootable major issues on the 9th week. On the 10th to 12th week, we will focus on the construction drawing part with reviewing about architectural elements on week 10 and 11. Then reviewing about the mechanical and electrical aspects on the 12th week. Week 13 and 14 is about quality control plan. We will plan how to improve the improvements that we found in each element in the previous review. Finally, the 15th week will be the submission for the final project. There will be a total summary of what we learned, discovered, and solved for the last 14 weeks. Thank you for watching.